Hi, so just a quick video to demonstrate to you Baumer's SensControl here. So it's an IO-Link master, wireless IO-Link master that enables you to do on-site configuration or monitoring of your IO-Link devices. Communication is via wireless LAN or Bluetooth, and IO-Link of course. It's got an integrated power supply within it, which is rechargeable via USB. You see here. And you've got some light indication on the signal and also the battery here. So yeah, enables you to, in a mobile way, connect to your devices, adjust their settings, set up settings on IO-Link devices, and also see what the status is. So all you need is, alongside the actual hardware itself, the SensControl unit, is the SensControl app, and that is available via Google Play Store and also via, of course, the Apple Store for Apple devices. So you enter the app, it can see the wireless master there, but no device is connected. So via the M12 5-pin to 5-pin cable, you can connect a device. So here I'm connecting a miniaturized photocell. As soon as I connect the device, you can see that the name of the device appears, the part number, the type of sensor it is. If you then select the device and the master connected, there it will download the IODD file from IODD Finder, but there are other resources that the app can find the IODD file from. I set myself up as a specialist, but you can be just a maintainer observer on the sensor. This allows me now to look at the process data of the sensor, so how's it switching or whatever the operation is, measuring, counting, whatever the capability of the sensor is. And then also, if I go into device settings, it enables me to access the IO-Link parameters. So I can teach the sensor, set up delay counters, or whatever it may be. Whatever the functionality of the sensor is, you're able to see all the criteria and all the parameters that you're able to edit, whether it be teaching, whether you want it normally open, normally closed, etc, etc. So all the features that you've got enabled within the sensor, you can access or change and enable and disable functions on there, and make adjustments and also see the status of the sensor. So the flexibility is really high. You can connect to any type of IO-Link device, whether it be photocells, like I have there, miniature photocell. I'm just going to connect another standard size photocell here. And again, you can see this device is powered on now. It automatically detects the part number connected. I click on it, and again, it will download the IODD file, give me the description, etc. of the sensor. I can now access the process data of this sensor, whether it's switching on, off, etc. So this is just a detection laser sensor. And of course the quality bit information, or alarm bit information, or the distance, etc. And again, I can go into the device settings and get all the identification, IO-Link information, serial number, firmware, etc, etc. And of course the diagnosis of the sensor, detailed device status, etc, that you'll be able to enable and access. And then of course the other parameters that are bespoke to this particular sensor, you're able to access via the quick and easy app. So if I now connect another type of device, so in this case, let's go for an inductive sensor. You can see that it's got different settings and capabilities and IO-Link functions within that sensor. So you can see I've got nothing connected to the master at the moment, and so you get no IO-Link device connected. As soon as I connect the device, There we go. You see it automatically identifies the part connected or sensor connected. So this is a M12 inductive sensor. All I do is switch to the sensor connected there. It will download the IRDD file, give me the part number, etc., the IRDD version, etc., etc. And again, I can access the process data for this sensor. So this has got some other capabilities on there, whether it be measuring the distance, count function, etc., true or false, pass-fail switching, so whether it detects something. And again, you can go into the device settings and parameters setup, where you can set up all the features and functions within the sensor itself, signal processing, etc., whether you want it to be normally open, normally closed, different modes, enabling scale of the sensor, etc. You can go to the process data again, and you're able to see what's going on with the sensor there. If I now go into a hygienic sensor, which has got IO-link capabilities, again, I disconnected, so it's lost that sensor. I've connected this sensor here, a hygienic background suppression sensor. I click on it, and you can see it's on. IRDD is loaded. Again, I can go to the process data information, and I can switch the sensor on, off. There we go. And I can get into the parameters that I'm able to set up, teaching the switch points, etc. If I want to lock out the teaching function on the back of the sensor, I want to put delay filters in. So here, of course, you get to see all the bespoke elements for that particular sensor. And then you can go into the process data. So it's a nice and easy, intuitive app to use. Allows you to circle through all the settings that you've got, or capabilities within the sensors that have IO-link functions and capabilities. So now I'm just going to put in the last sensor as an example. This is a radar distance sensor here, and it's just connected to it. Again, downloaded the IRDD file, tells you what it is. I've got this pointed to a wall here, about 2 meters away, and you can see it's giving me the distance there and the signal strength, etc., etc., of that. But again, I can go into the parameters and diagnostics of the sensor, histograms, etc., whatever functions that particular sensor that is connected has got, measurement values, switch counts, whatever it may be, you're able to see on the process data screen, but also go into the settings of it via device settings. So just to summarize, the Baumer SensControl hardware here is a great little tool, along with the app here, for you to use as a wireless IO-link master for on-site configuration and monitoring of IO-link devices. Communication can be via wireless LAN or Bluetooth, and yeah, quick and easy plug and play solution for getting into IO-link sensors to be able to communicate and change functions and settings and see diagnostics and set sensors up.